Namaste. Today we are going to discuss about properties of alkali earth metals or secondary group elements. Look here, the elements beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium are secondary group elements and also known as alkali earth metals. Why it is called as alkali earth metals? Because their oxides and hydroxides are alkali in nature and occurs in the earth crust. That's why these elements we called alkali earth metals. They are present in secondary group elements in the periodic table of S block elements. The secondary group elements present at left side of the periodic table in S block elements. In secondary group elements, radium is one of the radioactive elements. Radioactive elements. Okay, now we are going to discuss electron configuration of alkali earth metals. Electronic configuration. Look here. Beryllium, atomic number 4. Electron configuration is helium 1, helium 2s2. Next, magnesium, atomic number 12. Electron configuration neon 3s2. Calcium, atomic number 20, argon 4s2. Strontium, atomic number 38, krypton 5s2. Barium, atomic number 56, xenon 6s2. Radium, atomic number 88, radon 7s2. The general electron configuration of alkali metals is Ns2. N means number of valency shell. The general electron configuration of alkali earth metals is Ns2 because of their similarity in electron configurations. Alkali earth elements having same physical and chemical properties. Now we are going to discuss about periodic properties for alkali earth metals. First one, atomic radii or atomic size. Look here, the atomic size of alkali earth metals are smaller than those of alkali metals because increase nuclear charge in alkali earth metals. Once again listen here, the atomic size of alkali earth elements are smaller than those of alkali metals because of increase nuclear charge in alkali earth metals. Similarly, ionic radii. The ionic radii of alkali earth metals are smaller than those of alkali metals because of increase the nuclear charge in the alkali metals. Down the group, atomic radii of alkali earth elements increases. Atomic radii of alkali earth metals increases down the group, because increase the number of shells down the group. Okay, now we are going to discuss ionization enthalpy of alkali earth metals. Alkali earth metals have higher ionization enthalpy than the alkali metals. Alkali earth metals have higher ionization enthalpy than the alkali metals, because the size of the alkali earth metals smaller than the alkali metals, and its effective nuclear charge is more. That's why alkali earth metals have higher ionization enthalpy than the alkali metals. Okay, now look here, the second ionization enthalpy of alkali earth metals. The second ionization enthalpy of the alkali earth metals are more than that of first ionization enthalpy, because of the size of alkali earth metals is smaller and its effective nuclear charge increases. Okay, this is about the ionization enthalpy. Now, third one, electropositivity. Alkali earth metals are highly electropositive in nature. Highly electropositive in nature. Okay, look here, the electropositivity of alkali earth elements increases down the group. Next, metallic character. Generally, alkali earth metals are metallic in nature. The metallic character of alkali earth elements increases down the group. Now, fifth one, reactivity. The reactivity of alkali earth metals increases down the group. The reactivity of alkali earth earth metals or secondary group elements increases down the group. Look here, alkali earth elements are less reactive than the alkali metals. Alkali earth metals are less reactive than alkali metals. Alkali oxidation state okay, the general electron configuration of alkali earth metals is Ns2. So in valence shell only 2 electrons are there for alkali earth metals. Look here, M means alkali earth metals like beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium and barium. By loss of 2 electrons to get M plus ions. Here M plus 2 ions. M plus 2 means Be plus 2, Mg plus 2, Ca plus 2, Sr plus 2, Ba plus 2. So M plus 2 means by loss of 2 electrons from its valency shell. That means secondary group elements shows plus 2 oxidation state by loss of 2 electrons from its valency shell. Okay, so that means secondary group elements or alkali earth metals shows plus 2 oxidation state by loss of 2 electrons from its valency shell. The alkali earth metal ions shows colorless and diamagnetic in nature. Diamagnetic in nature due to paired electrons are present in the valency shell. Now, hydration enthalpy. Hydration enthalpy of alkali earth metal ions decreases with increase ionic size of down the group. Look here, beryllium plus 2 greater than magnesium plus 2 greater than calcium plus 2 greater than strontium plus 2 greater than Ba plus 2. This is the order for hydration enthalpy of alkali earth metal ions. Look here, the hydration enthalpy of alkali earth metals are larger than that of alkali metals. Color. Alkali earth metals or secondary group elements shows characteristic flame colors. beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium. Beryllium, magnesium do not show any color due to electrons in beryllium, magnesium too strongly bound to get excited flame. That's why beryllium, magnesium do not show any colors. Calcium can show brick red color. Strontium can show crimson red color. Barium can show apple green colors. Apple. This is about color for the alkali earth metals. Now, look here. Alkali earth metals are good conductor of heat and electricity. Good conductor of heat and electricity. Okay, so these are the general properties for the alkali earth metals. Thank you.